Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick nap time reset of my house. I am single parenting this week. My house has gone to shambles and quite frankly, I don't have a lot of time to get anything cleaned. So I just got the 3 little ones down for nap. I'm going to try to clean my heart out for the next hour, see what I can get done, and just get this house reset before the evening chaos. If you are new around here, welcome. My name is Sarah. I'm a mommy to 6. Hence why my house is a little bit crazy. We've had a very busy weekend. My husband left on a work trip yesterday, so it's been go, 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 go here in my home. So I figured it's been a while since I posted a cleaning video, so might as well just bring you guys along. But if you are new around here, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, let's get into cleaning. I figured we'd go ahead and start in the kitchen because I feel like that's just where I always start. I feel like if my kitchen's not clean, then nothing is clean. And honestly, with having a 1-year-old right now, she's always trying to get into the dishwasher, as you've seen in previous videos. So it's easier for me to unload the dishwasher and load it when she's either sleeping or in her high chair. So I'm gonna go ahead and start in here, get the dishes done, get everything like wiped down.
I was just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm crazy, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do seems to make you wanna run away. And I'm so thankful that you found me. Crazy, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better.
Okay, so the dishes are done, the kitchen's reset. I just started thinking I have no idea what I'm making for dinner tonight, and I probably should already have something thawing, but I don't. Single momming it this week, I'm sure it'll be something simple. But this feels good that this is reset. I'm gonna go ahead and move into the dining room, do the living room, and see how much further we get. I am hungry, so I wanna make sure I eat before my big kids get home from school. I also have some laundry to switch. So it's like boom, 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 boom. Let's see what we can get done. But kitchen, check.
Say you love me, say you don't. Just give me something so I can move on. Pull me closer or push me away. can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning, I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 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 I've been patient with your love. Sometimes you don't show it enough. And I wish you could open up and take my worry in and make it.
So the dining room's done. Luckily it wasn't very messy. Moving into the living room, and honestly, this room is really hard to film in because the size of the sectional and the way the walls and everything are, there's just not a lot of places to really put the tripod. So I'm gonna try to get you guys a little bit of footage. It's really not that messy. It just needs reset really quick. And then I am starting to get like really hungry. So I'm gonna finish this room, see how much more I've got in me, and then I definitely need to eat. I feel like as moms, we're always trying to crunch so much into like nap time. I don't know if you're the same way, but it's like I always have a running list of things I need to get done and I forget to feed myself. So I'm gonna have to do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and reset this room really, really quick.
Cause I can't wait for you forever. 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 Cause I can't wait for you forever.
So I've been cleaning for a little bit over an hour and I've done everything that I'm going to do. So I hope that you all enjoyed this quick little like nap time house reset that I brought you along on. Not a super like detailed long cleaning video, but real life as a mom. Like sometimes we just have like a small hour window or a few minutes here and there. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel if you are new. But with that being said, I will see you guys on the next video.